I was saying about Bad Dave Hammer TV. So, and I my papa Nina, will be a catch us about money and subscribe to your channel and share your videos. No, yes, what's about Joshua Boku? You want about Dave Hammer TV? So, many am Joseph. Then be able to yes, you still looking good. Yeah, you still looking nice. I don't look good, right? The musical career, how far has the Lord taken you through? Oh, so far so good. And yet better, but at the same time, you know, yet the new already. If you say, the meeting I can say, Unipa and Yankopon, exusuno, now one maintain for the purpose. Or how many other say, a bepa, dear, by Nini name, you may say a radium number. It's a year then a humble to a chamber ball, or say radical 100 years. And they will be crying. It has been good, but not easy. Yeah. What do you mean? Easy amawa? If you say how? Okay. Near man, man, easy Mayama. One, men can say financial support your one. Yes, financial support your one. Who say, Dave, you one thing they say, what they abdominal, any sican are the kabum, not their best star. Of course. Say, Okuta abdominal one sican can one, and Okuta sicanus and any voice, wouldn't was Raya to Tonomusua, and was to me, Yamani. Until yet the sika, any wasra near the a year, a Jumana. It is a do baby. Na se ba ko e short ya e ma adwuma na wo ye no untumi nkose de sese wo ye den okọ and apart from that, you know, our recent being so one of the challenges affecting me, and that is the reason why Ebrasi didn't come on. Okay. Yes. Joshua, how did you even come to Kumasi? Tell me, when it's so your production. How did you even get married? Yeah. And quite better now, what about Drew years? You say only about for next year, we live your life. You may dance. If I want my men to for Dave, me start me papa is here to suffer. And me person me quite chilly baby. My main fan chassis free. Said you will be shaman. From Kumasi, no, a school that me by Kumasi. Na me wo data na me papa wo akemo dan achiasi and I know a shop and I me no we school no me choose school Kumasi. By the grace of God we school them in my dear. I was the boys prefect of my school. Exams cram them best results. Until me choose school Kumasi. And I me me benya we say to senior high. The one na me be cool school. Na and I'm sending my senior to and I said that if free baby I'm in India, I took it say my baby do Kumasia school de my bahane there. My main take that opportunity. Now me make impact me ministry as a musician and the school time you know and me shall say me go studio record it and you until you know and you dey be do baby I do. Okay. Until you say me be Kumasi the school na dey me buy and I me buy you know me dey nyom to no to aso me to aso say because who say to be honest with you who person we gospel artist na say nye Kumasi a me hu ni say baby a obitima ya ma na ye all right but sa bre na ye ba ne de Kumasi na ye swanyum to fu say Kumasi de ye do to man ya do to critics ne strong but ye ka say we you good it is we good. Okay. That is it. As a young boy, I was so hate now so it's a sessions led by say now per map. That is what we heard. Is that true? And in 2 years, so don't worry. Say the bell be giant massive no. You got married. How did you get married? But I never did that. Say the permanent and person. Me Oba me no worry you know. On any Oba, on the first person me no die. Yes. Let's say now you're holy. In some way, like cancer. Now you're secondary virgin, and that's how you're holy. There be only Oba with the Kayam in the fair.
There's also so one chimpana da.
It was a school for name Kwarang like Agudi.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma many papa and the name said that
JSS name. But you say Obini will be, you know, relationship encounter. She was the first person. And the reason why in Tia me imagine say me worry no was say me person me basamsa. And now when you say we are say adia usuru ne ba so. So when you say adia usuru adia person beto no and on the two. I didn't want say enkomokura ye di ne nei e fa anyom tofo ni uma worry ensem ho no. I didn't want to go through that. Me na me pese me tumi ehye me adwuma na me ye no baby a me ko no baby a mani kire no ma me warentem na se be ya aware sembi ene ma sembi beba be yesi akwan bi aba be gigi yakwan mu baby a enu na tumi afiri ho so atiase enu nso na bonsam nya opportunity take that as an advantage odi ya beduru baby a yedu
dukwa be na fast wa ushia first girl wife as so your ex when na pass wa ushia no una compare na encounter me na munya
encounter ni nyina no say from mempa me ho majen kwambrefo ni ebe ye Holy Ghost power wona tete for the we ya be sa anyum no so far less na na ye wodi ya be ye ho launching e wo bantima sisi amafo na be ye sa enu na chi no enu sa anyum sa second album ni mo I used to get Facebook messages from one person here na ni di ni Chimaima na messages no na eba for over a year ebra mempa me huni gine huni nyina na sa messages ni nya
na say that time now why you hit no
why you hit na
the panel spot on Facebook
we go say me with TV so what me can on radio what me can all over and I was just say or chat me or send me message or inbox me or Facebook but I didn't want.
Is that true?
That is the truth.
Jemima no status or send no messages
say what ha na say or you dia obetimi say nyame o ginu di say nyame na ball no nyame ba na me nyame ba ni ese yen kan okora na so be kan okora. That is the story.
Then you also responded.
I didn't respond at the onset. It took me about 1.5 years to respond to that message. The entire man responding message, you know, at that time they said time I go school there was a lady be and a friend Jemima.
Oh, okay.
Na me chire omunyo e wo Sofolai school na wo first police station was a school bi wo Bethel na me chire asoro no ni din no me we fi kakra and sister no kra no me nim se otie mi a onim asem a meke na me chire omunyo na me free oti aba be chire kwa ne no as at that time na oye panyin na oye sofo ne ba na oye panyin chen me enti na enkomo na ekoso na me ni nche ho because na me nim se eyo no a
so o ma scholarship visa
aye no ho bibisa ba me nim se obi a wanyini chen me to that extent enti no na me respond
no push sugar mommies
no enti no you go so one day bi and I call Facebook because Facebook no so online to whom say me work online and I started to watch me then the messages started coming very fast because
Jemima no
yes the message
ex wife no
yes coming very fast a back or testing message you know quick because I say what testing baby I may respond into this time around and she wanted to explain herself to me
so what was the content of all that fast message
it was trying to say Matthew Nkame pe wasem pe me no far down for you know something like that
okay send them kenye boni kwansu
so
be ehun so yeah musician awaji din na person forward down for or your body to me ehun de
say assembly animu a o chat obi no fi wetwa so say who tiwe da bia me person me share dey ma person no dey komo me say me nya ready and I need time me fi wetwa so
nti at the long run no feel no na ikosi say
at the long run no me feel no and me share say me need komo on Facebook maybe like me dey me number man no so dey dey man me they started talking for free Facebook abeya down for phone so
okay
na me te brema UGC Asabre Junction na me te and one day bi me yes bra na oba ye no na me ne me babi the friend Yima Ejayima sa asemu a me ken o se me boa I have a witness at that time na me ne akura ne da sorry mpaso me ne te e da me de me ne try for over 5 years eye Jimai ma warrior echi and akura ne free me because na ye one room it was hall and then bedroom chamber hall so at ya say and a kitchen ne order enti no boy no obi a yaware na bibi sa na dey say he has to cool enti sambre na ono ne ba ye no na me ne sa brante no eno me ne tsabonten edidi ye nkomo bia ene to aso say ye di nkomo enti kwaya me ne fa so hia
no okay no se ma be ya dan for na fi relationship abem no say aware abem na
relationship ni mu no na me ko siesi ewo TUC and na me san wo bantam enti me ne start see to anko and am dey go say TUC sofo ankra the safe ankra and sa say me hu obaby a me pese me ware ba me hu no obiri onye obi o ya madam for me hia baby a wo me wiase da but me hu say me be ma metimi aware like as I say me worry until you two anamo tianamo na yetu no me pese me de ne pese mo sa na mukumi no odi nyame asem titine man ombra sore wa ha se re be ya se bre so na me pese me worry na ye ko no se nyeme nyina mu bie na mu se be boa me ya and I continue from there tim de ne ko se so for sa e wo da ban new size yes ti bu so bia se me worry Jimai ma no ko asore be me worry no ko your friend say CAC Dabai new site enti where the limpo no mo pese e ba be ye no ho ba na Dabai new site SCC TUC as TUC kai TUC so at as very good enti that is the whole thing me dey no e call ye no enya ye guso sometimes me your program bi wo ha obabi I had to say ofiansi a wo be ware nti obi ehun we co program of the mechi mu nyina mu hu bi
no do ati so anu ani age
oh yes
ko na no e ofe
oh yes I say common na ye gi no Dave I am not here to say what is never true ye nyame nkrofo
of course
asem bi a ye ne ade bi a ye wasase bi gu wante min travel say me good Jimai ma ni mase
oh what is very quite me ma nkwan
and me anu mo say me ba be kan say me nim de gu ni so but I am here to tell the world what this issue was about the truth.
Let's say gospel musicians there are so many things I move from in terms of how people lure you into marrying them who are your fans base because any part of one box one come on why anamba
that is it say me nimu baby
okay so obi so be ka say there are so many ways to obi so for social adofo
obi be kan say
do you think she came with an agenda
for me no time ebra aba ene niema SCC ene de me kan say mframa afa so de mi metimi aka Metimaka says she came with an agenda. Okay. And yet, I am saying that because of say. Niema after our energy, and I said, "Men in the time, Niema is who did it? And Niema is no. And yes, a Messiah will net, and I make us say he came with an agenda. But Niema happened after, before marriage, in the marriage, after the marriage, and even till now. And a mommy who said it was an agenda.
And Niema been happy in the Alcasa.
And Niema happy at the own. Hama said, "Me Yama just said, make quick chira." He be Yama. What I say? So Yama just said, make quick chira. I can send her a Yama on her side. And I don't want to and send me over as I say me frown into as I say me catastrophe as I say me come here so
then you can hear
and you know, and I will never lie. Medical can once and that. Unipa, Oceana, and our banner. To summarize the thing, yeah, not making on the 9 months. First of all, we take the seed first one, and I see you. I say,
that's courage.
And now, Sophie James will be changing the generation. I say,
yeah,
by your program, you know, now send an answer for the young church. Now, many until you say, Memma, I know you after marriage, you know, the Takos, until you give my man, no, you say, I hope I will meet you. To wait me, I pass over. I'm so and there will be many problems. The first time I was not, no mean say, and a papa, I was there all the time. The programs be all you be auntie, me a musician, maybe auntie tell me, say, my main baby, until we know. Papa was a prophet. I'm a message. Say your bar sorry, that's our bread of Pradominica. See your bar sorry, Papa Nicusi or Brema UGC. Only Cusi. If you didn't come up the Abraham, ya worry, first seed about I am miscarriage. See a bonfire is a second one, maybe Pidan and Sa. Tim Paibumu, Miaka Sakura, maybe say, Papa and say, Ya Mompire, white on that side. And the moon of a catcher and say, what take his seat? Soften and a catcher said, baby, a dream. You say, the wife will take his seat. No, no, she confirm or say, it's true, what take his seat. Uti Namika. See the Nimono and check and then also say. Then the 2 miscarriages told me, say, some miscarriage will be. Imu realm kakra ti o ye nyame nkrofo me obi twa ntora me obi twa nto and obi e kan nokora me obi o kan nokora o say seed na asay ne de ohun said there is something wrong somewhere either say ye mu bi and I temper with the pregnancy uti enko nti enu
asa obi a sheda person saying
and the Emma say it looks like
I know you're suffering the car.
Soften as I say,
Namia Yache.
Nasa Yani, a corner was on Mumpai.
And because Namia Yache. Yes, I want to get a clear understanding.
Yes, and it was true. As I'm not kind of so young true. It was true. So what it is, okay, say, who say, Yamiadum. This time around, what it is, no, about the seed. No, it to me say
it's true, it's there.
And they say, you know, I say no, dear, give me who, and yet at the as I say to me, say so. It is I that say
that's a normal,
and you know, ma. But what is
that? Did you ask her?
Some cover. Dear no, some communion, some pie, bonny, yeah, quiet, by you know, I'm much chibi. No friends, come on, you say, Papa saw catching him say, the man called me Jawa. Just like that. Our bra Obindi Yasenda. Min team, men count, men yell Olivia. You want papa, bear money or baby at now. Who I will show me when him say, oh, no, we at Contaqua. Who to me dinner, to me do at to me preno, to me preo, and your present, you will be a Contaqua, giddy you. May, you know me. Say, and I'm say will be say, Banjinia, Ijana Chiru, and Yamatia American Semu, and a bachelor say, Ampa. What's your vision? Only moon the ever, now woman one day. And I know you also did the car and say, my easy, and the bachelor say, Meme, but a bread, air. Then from a fashion. Okay. When you focus, you see, Subai is in using. Put me fancy, head. Okay.
And your cousin Munyano, and what happened?
Yenyaino. On my spiritual backgrounds of Nasima Oka. And your ma physical and some about the Oka.
Okay.
And Nini and the Honor and Passamico.
Okay.
uti me pese me ko
okay say no your no asem o kan
no your no asem o kan ye fa no say eye no kore nya no kore me fa no nya adwuma but ebre aircon it has been about 8 years or 7 years now.
Hey, 8 years.
Yes. Asema yake it's been 8 years or 7 years now.
Now you are married.
Yes, about 6 years ago.
Wow.
Enti no say the okan no na na ye no kore ana say na nya no kore ebre ko it will prove.
Okay, now you are married, you are moving on. How many kids do you have?
3.
Oh, ma 3. Enti di entina asa ko say mu asa ko fa baby.
Me nkofa say bia ma me wo ho just about Wednesday you came. And then
Monday.
It's Wednesday you came. My broken for so many months now.
Oh wow.
Yes. My broken me WhatsApp and then me Facebook now when I'm friend.
Now the only be jaya
it is because of attempting ne and maybe a permit me am watching the messages I was sending. All the messages
we are blocking the head and we send them
say no na make come within 4-5 days here we nya kwanya o say say ye na I will send you the messages I will send you. Insult and all sort of things and nothing them me blocking because said you me you will be cool.
Of course you and what happened
me wo also because phone you
yeah
phone we na usually first and I'm told we na say until me check no free so but two so the 020 that everybody knows I may you know start branding until we and all access we and all access until me blockade sa number but this phone chip na that so me blockade sort of me until me wa na me say phone we not knowing say dinner massive or so say dinner the massive it's dinner by
okay
na me phone the chair my wife say hey uni pa na friend
I don't know you nipa
oh say only that's the story
how the guy can you actually
of course okay I won't hide anything from her
okay
and I'm the phone the chair and say uni ana friend eti me mfa and I say fa bia uni ma say bra enti fa and I'm okay and I'm answer call na say na say wako all starting or say beti won kan chu na wo she de na ekoso menim de ekoso wa bra WhatsApp Facebook and all that we said that me te won kan menim de ekoso na no bi menim hia wo ye dwuma mu me pass wo she that you said you win me na me can say I say me but na many news so I didn't expect say me hia wo e wo ho nti me fa say wanye wo nti na man say that I respond sabe na me ne ye ma me fushia ko wa politicals me ye na nchi nti ni eko interview so bi so program so
the mobile
very good ye ba wo ho so nti ye sani ye na ye be foka ako ena who's again team man kan was you know me pese senya wotie no Obama bra bombia na okoso trouble you understand Obama bra bombia okoso trouble so I didn't want to have anything to do with her me say bia me no yakko but oh say bi na make say wo ba ye like you see what I've started nti but you need be Obama me nche bia na Obama bra bombia na okoso issues until I didn't want her near me at all. Didn't block it. Didn't make them as a team baby.
Into a friend, so wako baby.
Wako baby or sorry, not sorry. Nah. So we program say soft news say you mean said that me other say soft na say but was say the software catch and say or no na bra bon koso. And I made some brabon coso because of a near man SC. I will mean in Tema a tremble. Into Omra, not me bonny and me dear or no, or me pamicho. You, Mimi bonny and me dear or no, me pamicho. Na ọdún so di a ọdí ayé mi mẹ́mẹ́ ọ̀nà so a person catch them say on the achemi like both sides you know
there's a mummy na boni amodi aye mo no mo hia na mo mpa mo to wana
something like that
that's clear
and I'm saying so for kan tell say woman no aye me boni so be pancho
ma odi odi na boni bia
e dia boni na David me aye me ye boss about Joshua me to me nimu ba bia you came into my life all of a sudden Majiatu, ye come. My worry, wouldn't say a brand me worry no was my prime time. Do you know that?
What did you
yes. Both financially and everything, right? So the open so far less. And some me can really. Men pa me home drink pa for. Ben yes can be free. Ye lunch ni be man 5 million. Men pa me home drink pa before. And you hit we be as you na man 500 Ghana cedi.
You say how na 500 Ghana cedi is na e won ni.
Oh, and said that yes can be.
Okay. But enye ni 500 Ghana cedi.
Yes, and na kura de e wo form more.
So that big.
But that time 500 is 500. So on the person
even though it's small and and then structure sir
you Holy Ghost power here worship and no young fellow say so far as say authority na free me producer do some no aye enti sika sem bi ebe mu bia no amame ho okay that's what it is so
worry no at your prime time enti office there
no me yi ye di ata for so because ton nyum ne ma ya bo
me kai
enti no na me ton ma ya bo no yem fan se me nyum ma tu nyina no me ton 20,000 Ghana cedis
200 million
enti yem fan se sa bre no enna enka mastatia enka nyuma me to no de eminya bia ye programs to be the upkeeper de ye ko de ye ba de emenya bibia firi mu anka me de no ne be start abrabo e bia me de be ye investment bi ana bia me de be project bi no sa bre no na me ne wo e be wa me itu be kaya se ya bo gira han na me ne ni nyina ne ko ne ho ya bo ntua me ka ye we di ni nyina time ne so no kura no na sikani bia kemu up to date kwa ya bo de me ka ntua
ya bo tua o ka tua
de me ka 80,000
wow
8,000 it is sikani ko tua just 12,000 and no kura no me breba ti me ni me wife na me ni jima me ni na da ko no e wo ki ti asoro ho enti asemu am person me kan say that time na fe na me fan say juma masa ase ye me be twa so aba me starting ye na we be we be 9 months me nye obone onkochi me se me ni obabi ada onkochi me se me ni obabi awo obi me kan kire wo se fa se ma Joshua ye me se me na kodam na ye se me na ko o makora wo echiri unhu bibi sa se ye kunto kwa me ntra hanka se ye kunto kwa oba ne be me bi atena ye be kunto kwa argument be ba
okay ndi no kan kire wo se
dabi so me ka bone no de enti ese so no na ye me bone nya me no ma ene wo ja wawe na wo ko enu ochi no unim say na me won panyinfo pa o mo support me ministry that time I had a lot of panyinfo ebi wo Kofodia papa bi na me nini me friend Kofodia prophet say ye kono wa ene say ma me hwe video na woni ma say ma make say ye kono wa ye we dey no o na be ye me chanaman o be spray dollars on us panyinfo titiri bebre ade ni si ye no stories awo ka ni niema awo kan where things are a painting me black and destroy me ni mpanyifo enti saa bere ya na mo maami bi e wo TUC ono na wedding of fan nnuane ho ka ono na siesie mo ho wona do ba ye saa time wonim se ye yusu Range Rover e yusu V8 na ho
no ba
program na ye no se me kasike wura mu kire ma ebe yo ebi ye die na ayemi misika
I don't know you stand in an person wedding kese na
oh anya bebre sa
because all your young boy I think was so what did you can do a simple wedding be why did you at least spend so much money who was pushing you to do that
no you be kan nyina no say we are say obi aye for so so what you say and if I say me per se big nti no say namni and am here ya it you say nti na
you know the one and now person you big because you a star.
Yes, we say adwuma na ye no ye wo niam bi wo ha e boa
Matthias Matthias
want to be can tell say we have for some issue now
wedding queer
baby bia sebi a bit degree do never say when you am like so be could have a program like we bet me cry no crack say you are worth like this
okay
so
okay what's about okay
me see the entire why me born no na me chiri mu some people we I lost them you will be on a program or the nipe free or to be for bass ma silent in your bantima see obi the bass nipa ma e do mu free baby ani me ka baby ani no ono aka se tie mu nipa ko do mu free oba silent in ko man ko an ko invite me oba ye that time oba me 3000 me nya obi de na oba oye me chana akra ma he came to surprise us me no mi enu nyina ko ne ho yeah se me hu kire me na me fa full friend in there say papa scan if you oba se ni scan through I have lost all of these connections.
Did it also affect your career?
Very much. Because you know, say, and yet easy. 7 years back, ever worry 9 months. Now I say me worry. So I think come on say Baba ka say me worry bi our bra won say dan ye no bonnet tintin and ka wodi on and ka ma yensam nko nipa ba ko mienu abusuafo omon ka ba ko omon ka mienu enyeye so won empesam kire no obi ehun say ba bia duru ni de ya na enyeye nti mo betimi eja ba bi say ni o
okay do ka chen say no mo mepa watch right
and I'm say me nya obone nti say wo ba be pam che wo dia I will accept it so ba ka kire me say my yegu na manye anko yi why me bone na wo ba be pam che wo dia that one no I will accept it but so be ka kire me say because what impacting negatively in my life what say me near my papa bebre what in common I say what say me near my papa bebre me connections and penifo na support to me even I don't want to go far and simply on my me say me person me ko akiri bebre but me person me ma issues are enti what I was up catch him say Charlie manyi me sorry and you cancer dia betiase but so catch him say me pa o dia then you don't know what you see me cancer no start to do kwasia be man that up to now just say grow Jimmy dia kwasia se monko nam say
oh phone so ana
phone so even some on messages what in common I say and I'm say madam all these years the wo why wo mabra boom ni mate no o say back it's been about
o say jima but me bi na me do ani do attempt say kwasia be ma
masa okay
no
I can show you the messages I can show you the messages now when you say get you know say we want there
when you tell do attempt that
me person me ko bibiri the sie twam ni twam
okay
but the vama yen nyina yen tra urade anim yen kan kore se wunim no woni ni dinko me bisa so te sen ya so ka se wo kan kore be ka so te sen so no na te ha ka be hu wo be hu nsem a enimu a obeka
you say what can send me you do so anything
yes e bi ni say number 1 o say me am tie me na no boy bi frame me say on the manage no so dey say me to me chine to say me bu ni name o say wo no
so bu ni name say
koswa
na o sawi
you be obetuma tran wa hwe ne say bu ni name asama
na o so che wana na o ye ogidigidi on
me dey say dem tie ani
ndi na o wi na de na ho de hisi wana
ena me say amen
But just when this one now why anti police now who are this so yeah who ya kuku and na bia who person BTS say bia uni awon dey no
what in say wa programs we can so pe be mo cute what you be that so no ha me bisa wa say wa programs we can say yeah video also pe be ma we cute
na say wo no pe o
me ba me kire wa de ni nyina na say o wa adwene bi wo ni tirim say opebe mo no be di ne so what in common na say ope obi a se ba say yemfa ne say yemfa body enkontokwa bia menim de make no sure
I don't know the body sisi one
no enye so the body sisi
no so obo kakra
no timi mo me but de me pese me kan say ope obi a ho ena madwene wo ni tirim say on say
okay was there a time am ye kitikiti say mo kontokwa
no
we see that
eno ye ebra ujaya ware na ye try say ye ne no be resolve engine family ye nya no mebo
ne wa bro
engine family e wo main street ni mo that time no e ye wasesa ne nyema free fie na abusuafo aba omra metena se na de wo se ma ye no na ni to oja ware no mekan so o ma
no so
o na me hwehwe ifi be na mi bu se bisa wonu baby sister iti ti me du baby na the picture akere mpacho sister wonu masa nyema wo dia ye me mabrabo no na wa ba be ka akere me say me mumu me pouch wo wie ya o san se okoso amota no dia beto edi ma me meti ono na hwe me ono na mimi ministry na me ye no na e coach me kira me say me mati me di am make me hate hama me mati me di nyame adom hu me mobo free baby ye free na urade hu ye mobo ye pie me ni pe nyina hu ye no wo mum na wo ko so amota digima mo betima so amota hama that lady na ote wo no so ka kira me so on so amota obeso a amota no ni e di si dan be my fee and I made me way. Until she is one type of beer, she can come and sit here and someone can.
Okay, there's this thing I also heard so only the dad. She said, oh man, a share
or she just said, man, dress. I said, to know you're about down.
But now hold on. The big no busa me, me na me busa o. The all kanu. E na ye person we be no on pet but who for so no man ye.
Chama eti. Oni oba e beda. Oro ne hu nyina gina wo. Wa. Na die ne kadibiem na chese obeshi atade etia.
Ndina man
no. Asema make no. Etiefu a wo hwe me. Wo ye me yere. Yeah. Paso wutie me se mitumi hu whole body ni nyina de a tu sha atade tietia wo meme ne wo dem a is there anything wrong with it ani wo beda de a ani ekole ko pen ayi fa dwura wo ni padua ni nyina na kata wo because se wo ye me yere na mitumi ne wo dade a adwuma na nkasa ya wie nti wo sha ade etia eno na yehu ebi o fi o ma ne to ke o ni jisane man no o ni ji strippers ho eno me ba asawo fo ho nti o ma ne yes ally no se ne be ya ema have you even done that before me ba me say what ni nyina me enu ti na me say I'm here to talk and did you do it oh come on open tell me okay but what you try one by better so I Dave Hammer TV don't go anywhere we'll be right back
yo I'm out for way I'm so for me den the kwaku man no me catch us away Dave Hammer TV Kumasi there you can Dave Hammer Hello FM why back up but the TV so na me gine what you say I know the Santo ya Santa ya bolom I'm love it.
Welcome back from that break. This is Dave Hammer TV. Bomonian Snowbest subscribe to your channel. I have no credit here. And we are here for the truth. What's it? The allegations are here against you, which is true and which is not true. And the entire office or sell it message across the world.
Senior Nia, me can only buy it in you say that the way to working. And they was always where it was a strip. And then Nia, let me do
it's a manner almost shaky, almost told
me, say, and yet, let me do a brand.
I am social media.
No. I wasn't going there. I wasn't going there.
Okay.
Saying me, if I say, be a young never certain level, you know, our bear, this annual manoa, I feel like I didn't know things like that.
Okay. And you know, just like on site, but it's not about twerking, right?
We are making Dave Hammer, you conquer for them, we do not do any man for you.
Any bed matters talk.
Yes, sir. Idia bro. Also, we type of beer. On your that or Tiano, on your that quiet time, maybe. So, the person no. Into the normal relationship, Yendi agro, yes, sir. She was there. Make my catcher say, my wife created my summer making. And I can say it with every authority. Said the name in Jimmy Diablo. The wife will come in the Amosa. Because I'm only there. Or ye will be a me Muslim is in Canada. Now, our boys, girls, lifestyle. So, the person, and that time, yeah, my wife, or yes, of money. But I won't know when yes of Saturday, I'm yes of me and you. I grow be why to me, and lady, meet me, maybe. But and look around, Bono. And the person can say, or you will be a namely dear.
Okay.
And nunti of friend quick. By my wife and friend quick. Only person, my wife on friend quick, we so be as my wife and friend on friend quick, but who friend quick. They come out, who could come you when him that. So I kaya, on friend quick. So I say, and I miss me friend or buy a home. Men of this head in the man.
Oh, they are some.
So what did the American say? And you know, me know that kind of connection, no, I grow yet to me, and I grow baby. And yet, I say, would you really call you now be per one man explanation, open somewhere, who be to me, I can, Nipano, be to me. I just say, oh, near nothing I die. So when a person and nothing a giant. But apart from that, there is nothing.
In some more kind, no, yellow cresa.
See, so in the American, I say, one to say, or see me see onion makeups, she send nails, this honey, my name, yes, no, correct.
No, need you
teaching you. Nami per se, or de I fro, Side Jumano, Yellow Juma.
Oh, okay. Then I was saying, I'll explain it. Be a business.
One course second image school. Hammer. One course second image school. As a man can ask you to be human.
Oh, meet you.
There be a meeting. Who means our course second image school?
I change sometimes.
Sound the event, they priest. Makeups in the event, yeah. The enemy I brought another menu dinner. Diana was to get a career because we see our one. Now we need to man. Many will now we need to man. Yes. Many demand 90 1 year mother. Hey, could you say my ben annoy?
We also motor the boy there.
Many be a restaurant with UGC, maybe a supermarket with UGC. Could will be a supermarket there. Call it UGC is here. And a big crime be taking loan and up to date, you can loan the program in 10 years. Hey, what you know, I can't tell me, say, Meme, Massa, Entina home. They say, those times, I wasn't ready to talk. Call UGC, go and ask everybody, say, whatever you should know, restaurant to UGC. They no need supermarket to UGC.
No, Jemima manages a restaurant.
Yes, of course.
And a discover.
It is a woman, but you know, I can't tell me, say, I was giving you a career. Oh, you person me chile no. And me no kase. What was second image school? Say we makeup artist. And no na wo dey show wo dey ball bra. Nti me born ya me ye no. Ah na wo dey abegina bonte say me say agi so yi say. And near man na wo kase me na me see ye no. What about say who free ho no? Man na see. Near man na wo say me say ye. Na enunti wo mpe na wo say enunti na wo gya me no. And you walk with baby, you may say, make I say you way, and now we need me hope you know. And then after the we are more than that. Let me show you pictures. I'll give you evidence.
I'm saying, what's about Joshua? Opoku, a gospel musician. A born baby now. Rather unfortunate, saying the first marriage, Uncle, there was a breakup. After 8 years, this is where we've got into a Sensameno or about for 80 almost on the side of story. So this is where we've got into
the picture
yeah
we the picture. This is a current picture.
Okay.
So men are so
now, why do you keep her picture?
No, now me taking on Facebook. This is the Facebook program. Look at this dressing.
Say the program till the addresses are.
And the say one thing. Look at this one. You see? Look at this one. Look at this ones.
Oh, I said on your bad.
I said on your bazaar.
Oh. Hey, said on your bad.
Okay, we are doing.
You be a man for her.
One a bit me. I want to meet person in mouth. Near my air cushion. What you say?
What's about? Oh, dear. I know how you feel. To say, have you been able to meet for her to at least beg you? And I say also what panacho, what maybe be a kotoyi.
I'm sorry. Ask to feel her. So one stories. One idea. Oh yeah. Read this. Can you come and impi? What's it say?
Oh, now the kind of say yeah.
And kind of one thing. Me person.
Okay.
Yes. What's it say? So one idea now. I know yeah. April 2020 year. 2020 year. Timino Casano, they can say.
They say,
Sebanchi, and ya, Nija, the bitch.
It is Moshia, I'm a more papa Monchoa now.
Oh, maybe a minute here, I'm free. Oh, maybe bomb bra, maybe friend, what no one be friend. Something come on, maybe bomb bra. Yamia do the same from fresh.
Wow. Is it what I say?
I've been a mania Miensa.
Wow.
Third one.
Third bone.
So I say.
Wow. Wow.
I've been Baba.
Send you already attach what you didn't know.
Wow. My movie on. What could I know? My blocking way from Milan. Many winning come
but I feel you guys should say Mushiana say chopper be one anka Mompa Mochoa. Send a bank as from Pibano. I felt saying I was saying Kaunisha war as a demano. Now person movie on. I don't know when she ananka. So you walk on a point and no point and say YMC, why yard so Nanka ye at 2 years. So why didn't you at least meet her?
Now Ben I'm no because I wasn't nearly 3 days. Now Ben I'm no Enron. It was Saturday. I said Ben okay.
Simply for me no Kasa say forget about it.
I'm sorry.
So I send a message be did you attend?
And I'm sorry. We can say person me no no.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
So why did I call that? Me I can me for phone friend 2 times. You know, I send me message. Did my time. So I say, me no can ask him next. Or test me back.
Did you attend?
Oh, friend, no, now. O catch and say, me see what I'm something go man say enti no
that was when now that who say was a Mushiana
more
say initially no so percent
no
shall but you refuse
maybe refuse you because contest now what they buy that is not the issue
so
no Daniel say no and no the menti say oh say nyese bia sebi you ade enye no kore no minjintum just like that for what can say me bre ku mani ma say can say me me bomb bra
and you say what's about what's the way forward you are moving on with your wife and your children
na say me hia no omo ne bra me bomb bra okay me oni emema me nim say be mo ne te no na wo ne menyina dia
say won so so akoba bi baby krono ye che say adia or ye nkoso a ti say mo reconcile ma like ye to ye mo bi apa na wo chow ma like nature eja anye mamu ma mo ye bibia akoso ama mo ana wo de o ye bibia akoso
hama me kashi awrade anu nyam me ya me wo shira me say
now what do you think about
say okay say ono na sem no say e duru baby no nim say ma na o chika I don't want to go to that side. I don't want to go to that side.
Yes, so I say I don't want to go to that side. I say we are not clear.
Mama, why ye? Or person watch me say, why ye? When ye sika, why ye say, he can't say much say. What's that? Obi a bank account, we move. So him say, Obi bank account we move. Say, who see me? Time me. If I say with my car, say we share about you and then we say, be your expectation now, person who be a woman. I'm not living my life to please anybody. What in America say? I'm not living my life to please anybody.
Is it one of those who are called baby? And
I've been able to establish a business for my wife. Who tell you make establish a business? Me go businesses are me.
Okay.
What do you say me enterprise? JN Enterprise.
Wow.
I'm doing things on my own. Me yam niam. But say who person we share me na me twi V8 and na me twi Highlander and na me twi Kebi na me twi. And na me na from to who ni say me bra e wo wadwe. And na me say what for kwan bi so enya osika I don't care. I go come and say, me ma ware, me manage. Ono ware. Anambwa. Some things ware, ware. But o ma.
O de enfa ne ware on cement to nchen. This is asundwe na me ye nyina ye twetwe.
Asundwe ne de.
Na be ya wo movie on ni.
Me movie on.
Oni o yire no mam so mo bo mo bra no no so ati no wasi. Enti no why don't you guys
say nye sa call your be within that time because them news we should program already so I don't follow eh me obi bia hu nyame o obi bia hu nyame me bo me bra o bo de emre bi obeka say o say me beg for money so bibisa me really see you pay wu me really see before lockdown and then me go so me your promotion o say you starting promotion now more thing na promotion now more dey pa and na lockdown ba it be producer and now we say you man lockdown no dey twem sa time no last year mo no phone I say ye pie I say ye pie I say ye be yi I say you know ye be pie mu ko ye djuma na le mane ma ye ja promotion because ni say promotion na ye ya ko duru baby na say you release lockdown now and I say yen ka so bi anko ye program sa u sika na utubu na heva na kofa na o frɛ me and I say chale o de me ni e bo pa o na e kofom na me say o mi sika asa
yes o ko share ni sika
and na me say o de ti na me say o mi sika asa ti so be me bi na me dia ye promotion dia anyway
so na indirectly na say o so piska fi no
oh na so na bi bisa me ye mi promotion
eso obi a oni na jaya ka on penetrate at least
me ye me promotion me meti o me meka meti me na wa frame me na say woni me ni ebo na say no na wonu kura say ka kire me say me meti me ma wa ko ha me wo ni pass me si ka me enfa ko na me say masa miniska nti ube me miska na me dia ye dia fa ma me wie lunch wi am dia na ka sa
okay
anu kire say me beg you say mami scan from me bra
ada o kan de baby ana
mami aya wonti bi o aya wonti
na obi ne ka kire wana ga
so so woni ne ye intem
me nti se waka
most of them say
but that particular way ni there but pass that particular say me okay say o demand money from the all can there me dey maintain ye
and you mean can because of about na how be can
but I think say some masudie ba mu
me here tie me ni asumdue die obi apa asumdue but asumdue say me do obe me na be ma me problem you shouldn't come close to me
this is one blocking na
who say anytime bia na obeba ma bra bom bia the trouble there
into one blocking no
yes
okay it's your wife or tisa niema we nyina no family or tisa niema we nyina what does it bring then what effect when the power we
I will be honest ashasie no na my wife a problem about it ashasie no because na on say oba won na worry pen sometimes oba dream say e bi kura o da so pen eno kura ya ba ku mama no kura e once oba dream say e bi kura o da so pen ana say e bi kura na after mu breaking up ni nyina bia wo da so no kura ahia ye bibi so unim sa she might think that way and also so e mani feel insecure so tin ya make na say enti na make can say sabira ni nyina no I didn't want to talk because anya rekura say my wife ene say we ni bibia wo de be bo na ware ho ban ya ana say wo de be na ware asiwa be ne wo matre ba jima ma ni ni ba
okay
that's what in America. I have no bond with her. Ya ware keke, but you can say the 45 marriage. A mad baby. Okay. So what in America say?
Okay. Yeah. Jemima, what can say?
So only be quite keke, because only be quite keke. Na na ni wa. Unkwane nyina. What that's only wo.
Okay. Jemima, how can I say me? You've said so many things. Say what cost to even your career near but intimation from sense you say she also did something good for you.
Oh, it's not me can't say. I'm not here to come and say bad things about her. Because say maybe my kataso, my can want to move.
That's what boss say.
Oh, let me buy anya go so anu di anya meti. Anya go na dan papa.
Okay.
Intino, me mejra me ka senti ensem bia me ke bia ni wa ya asem a me di gu na ni mase. Say bia wa yesi. Ana me bo mitiri maka wo. Eye ni me
reality ni me happy.
Me yes ni me happy ye na me ka. Ana ni me happy ye no. De anya kura na ye won her side me fra na ntoma aka so.
What are you saying? At the end of the day, we come Ghana for new fans. Say we carry and they say the abasu and I'm boy. Say catch a man for on these situations, on this issue. Then I person catch you.
Yeah, Ghana for you now say. But that will be us say when you brain or share. Now me catch you say. What's about you so now money. Oh yeah, what's about you. Now at the back on say if we are see Obia, I want to frame the sentences well. Obiba Kase, and you to 4 year old tower, Sam. A software, this army, but I'm a person who come will be at your sister. So when someone attack you, die. Now because I know to 4 years of your own. Be a not attack your mima family, Yamia, what be a would be a number. Uti enko mono e bia na wo dia amfa awawem bia na wo dia amfa biribim because asofo akese e chen mi mpono e bi tuwo na David kura bi tuwo na me bo shaba Joshua okay so what dey make am say nipa akese wo Bible ma akese be biribi tuwo mu enti ye no mo de e to ye na you should take it as normal
okay
enti ye no nti e na bia u bedwini bibi de meka che obi aso obi anka na komanto no yom na bibi ansesan sei no afi na adwuma na anka sei afi na me be busy ama right asema na kanto no ne sei ya no na me adon me de maso we na mo bi se won handle
okay
ena baby a na nka first no minya adaje enko eniema na minya adaje enye no sei me de ni nyina to right now no the me no say I am doing business and doing my ministry. Again, young to intimacy will be able to say, if free neck, I'm no Casabico. You will hear more from us.
Thank you so much. It's open Marco also because the first wife, no a cocoa, we saw Cossaco fans or a cocoa. Hey, who played the cocoa? I could put a moment at this idea. But once open, so when you say, open cocoa. And the two, and the oh, yeah, and the I'm so much about the Shoboku and I'm here live. Is it one name so or my J Mama? And I said, no, near a calf from Nas or Niesi. My voice in the day, a bread, a baby. Me back now back out say it was true. It was true, yeah. Minim the American. The one briki say. Aminyao. Minim the na me ka fasa asem no. By me voice na. Mami treat sa ade we platform because na nkofo e ka sa asem no voice asesa as otunyuma na ne voice si ni sa na me. On say me yanum tuni ansana asofudie bem so asofudie no nkoa no we yanum tuni obompa ba we ye sofo a ompa ebo eye more than nyom to so we yanum tuni na obompa so tiatia me na me bompa ya na me tiatia na de na no nisi tie na me tonyo me wo music mu no na asofudie me kan na me bompa ya me tiatia tiatia mu a me tiatia na me bompa ya che nyame me kama se ma che nyame bia makoma onte na me bompa ya veda brag me ko bosa mpa ya na ba se me bompa ya ma dia se bibi sha wo so problem bi na se me ye kastia as be sound to and na me need that voice now that on say we hear member my voice no tia nti mpa ye na eba mu gigra na voice no say yes on say he obi te say papa posuku won ne voice o de to ono no obo ne mpa ye dada no de beto onum nti na wotie ma ye deep sound so to ne make am say nti meme no enam say man fe no na ansase na me de we no na start ye no nti we ne be kan ho no na ma u feel that like hitches no our voice but the American said now no and I'm say me this are good here make us say me the latest me say is that my making enya ana de bia ma medina ma kan say bi be e bere eko Thank you so much for watching us live on Dave Hammer TV. Yedamasi. Don't say you could break kakra. I'm home for it. But the no you better was them later. Medaminia Bema Sky GHC. Sky the be out Tamechi. Sky Yamishao. And the French or the Yumbeba. I'm a better was them live on Dave Hammer TV. Tibosh about you Shopoku. And no I can't say no Bomodiana share video and then dredge you know be as the side of his story. But sometimes I acquire one side, I am also the side of story. I am here. The BBC, I friend Dave Hammer TV. Now, I mean, boss about Joshua Boku, so a software now, or sign a total and a gospel musician. Worry, say, walk me and come on. The man, congratulations. The family Dave Hammer, don't be here. You ever say, Shabby? Yaka. I'm a bench, I will be out. Okay. Chia. I'm so what? Yeah, a Bissika PC. Wow. Me were Lord, na me were Ezra, and I me were. They say we know. Usuela. Only 2 hours. Yes, Michia will okay. Now, the American will be able to say, who frame program I am now available. First, no, because you will be taken with this offer. Oh, yeah, I need a cook with this offer for the home. But never be an them to me. But it's here, be a bit to me. It will be to me frame everywhere. Men mass of when you know, America say, why yes, of when go to me. Oh, frame school them cram and me banswa, dear, will never fire so I am going to say yes, I'm not. What's about Joshua? And I say, what's about Joshua? Now, if we mess if we celebrate the worship videos, I've made up my mind say at least every week be and 2 weeks be as I say new video ever. And you know, move follow me. Facebook and your boss about Joshua and a boss about ministries. Okay. What's about Joshua and a boss about ministries. Okay. And a YouTube here official boss about Joshua. Okay.
official Bishop Bishop me numbers and I'm Sunday man.
Okay.
Because I want to get time now. I am coming back full time into the music ministry. And my numbers no 020 797 2092 020 797 2092. Our WhatsApp afi 0249 21 90 30 0249 21 90 30. Michia me papa Bishop Kwame Owusu Ansa on the Family Harvest Ministry called the Emori Junction. Michia wo mu nyina asori ma abushafo nyina afi michia me papa me nia Dr. Utu Echampong ah yes of Pastor Dr. Utu Echampong Empowerment Chapel Afancho Bible School Junction Yankopon onhyira oni asore me nyina e wo Yesu Kristo nyame hyira wo so a unya abere na hwe me fans nyina nyame hyira mo ko so mo mpaye ma ye de bebre eba ti ye de ba no ye de ba mo nsum na mo mwa na nyame adwuma enye kese nyame hyira bebia na fe dey won so me dance for the opportunity that you've given to me nyame hyira.
Amen. Usia oje bana mo tene kan e fra me dey for mo do me. Se be se hye me akado na.